Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. My name is Mary Ellen, and on my channel I like to share sewing videos and the journey of making new me-made pieces for my wardrobe. So today I'm going to share a collective pattern haul pretty much from the last 3 to 4 months, I would say. Probably since May. I've been on a bit of a hiatus from YouTube, but I'm back. So pretty much everything I've bought from my last video to now. I think I counted almost 20 patterns. I have some indie patterns and then some of the big four, as well as some Steamwork pattern downloads that I will share. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. First up, I'm actually going to share a non-pattern item. I recently ordered some labels from Intensely Distracted. Her name is Simone, and she has an Etsy shop, and she has a few different label options, but I will share the ones that I got. Here's what they look like, mindfully made. Ooh, there we go. And they just have her Instagram name or shop name on the top there, and on the other side it's just the mindfully made. I thought they were so pretty, and I've already used one on a pair of pants that I made. Okay, I'm going to start with the indie patterns that I bought at my local fabric shop in the Carborough Chapel Hill area in North Carolina. First up is the paper cut pattern stacker jacket. It's this really cool, like a utilitarian style jacket, but it looks really fun and a staple for the fall and winter time. And I believe I saw Rosary Apparel on YouTube and Instagram. She made the stacker jacket and made a video about it. So I'll link that below. But I really actually like this like mauve corduroy that the model has, and so maybe I will do a corduroy in like a fun color. But anyway, excited to sew that. Next up is the Friday Pattern Company Sagebrush top. This is like iconic. It's so cute, and I just love the gingham. And I believe the green is like a bubble gauze, from what I can tell, which is actually the fabric that I got to make this top. But I'm sure I'll make plenty of variations in the future. But yeah, Friday Pattern Company Sagebrush top. And then I got the Grainline Studio Lark Tee. Yeah, Lark Tee, and it's 4 different variations of the neckline as well as 4 different sleeves. So the possibilities are endless. I mainly got it for the t-shirt, just like the crew neck t-shirt pattern, but I'm gonna make all of them eventually. But yeah. Next up are the Simplicity patterns. I got one top, and I mainly got these through the Joann sales, so about every week, Thursday through Saturday, they'll have pattern sales, and they'll knock the big four down to like $2, sometimes $1, and then Vogue patterns are usually $5, so it's a really great deal. Alright, first up I have the Simplicity 8602. This really nice blouse pattern with 4 different variations. I probably won't ever do B just because I'm not really into the cutout shoulder look, but have some good options there for some variety. And these are for wovens. Next up is the Mimi G pattern. It's the Simplicity R11108. It's this really cute dress, like a above the knee, looks like, or right at the knee. Really cool neckline and a nice puffy sleeve. And it has a tie in the back, tie closure. Here. Next up is the Simplicity R11104. It's really sweet, like midi length or maybe maxi length dress, and a few different variations. I think they have a short length, like a midi length, and the maxi length. Next up is the Simplicity R11101. It's this really cute square neck, probably like an A-line dress, I guess I would call it. But I really like the square neck look, and there are, again, several different variations. So the previous 3 patterns are also for woven fabrics, but this last one from Simplicity is for knit fabrics. So it is the Simplicity 8982. It's just a simple knit dress. There's one dress pattern, and then the rest are like separates. But I also saw this on Sew Essentials YouTube channel. She made a sew along with the View A dress, and she shortened the length a little bit and made it a short sleeve. So, but again, just a very versatile pattern that I'm sure I'll get a lot of use out of. Alright, moving on to Butterick patterns. I have quite a few. I'm going to start off with tops. So, first off is the Butterick 6487. It's a nice long sleeve blouse with like a little mock neck. You can do it with the frill or without the frill. I personally like this View B, this the black colored top. But again, a lot of great options in here, and you can mix and match with the sleeves and the neckline. So yeah. Next up is the Butterick 6733. It's kind of a square neck, a little bit of that wider neckline, but it is a little bit of a V. Again, you have different sleeve options, and you can do the tie if you want. Buttons are on all 3, but it looks like a great pattern, especially for, you know, the warmer months. But yeah. Next up is the Butterick R11136. This is just another blouse. There's a V-neck, a few different sleeve options. Great for work, you know, or any occasion really, depending on the fabric that you use. And these are all for woven fabrics. Alright, next up, the last of the tops is the Butterick R11070. It's this really nice wrap top. A few different sleeve options, and there's a little bit of gathering there at the shoulders. It looks like there's a front yoke as well as a back yoke, and yeah, looks like a nice pattern. And again, you could use play it up, dress it up, or dress it down depending on the fabric that you choose. Alright, I have one skirt pattern from Butterick. It's the Butterick R10801. It's this nice long, like a maxi skirt. I don't really care for the ruffled one, but I do like this like asymmetric hem version. So I'll be making that one most likely. Not in the near future probably, but I'll have it for next year. Alright, I have 3 dress patterns. The first of them is the Butterick R10963. It is like a tunic style with a waist, elastic or tie. I think they both actually have elastic, but again, you can do like a simple one, or you can do the ruffles. I think they are both great options, so I'm excited to sew this. Next up is another kind of tunic style. It's the Butterick 6551. A few different length options. I really like View A, just the knee length version. I think it's just a nice simple dress for work, or you can make it more casual. And finally, I have a dress pattern for knits. So it's the Butterick 6054. This really cool wrap dress. Just the one version, so they're both the same version, but I just love the shape of this dress, and I think it's super flattering on a lot of different body styles. So yeah, excited to make this. I think this will look great for work. It'll be a great option for that. So yeah, that is the Butterick patterns. Alright, I have one Vogue pattern. It is the Vogue 1716. It's this, what is it, a Badgley Mishka pattern, and I mainly got it for the trousers. They are, I believe, a side zip, but it looked like a good shape, like a simple trouser I could make like for work, or if I have some like event to go to that I don't want to wear a dress for. Probably won't ever wear or ever make the jacket, but maybe I will. Who knows? But yeah, again, this is lower on my priority list, but I decided to go ahead and grab it while it was on sale. Alright, so I have my laptop in front of me for the Steamwork patterns that I've downloaded, so I'm just going to go through them. First up, we have the Steamwork Madhu, the Ariel, the Joss, the Sierra, the Desi, the Micah, the Miller, and the Reggie. So I have made some of these. So I've made the Desi, I've made a cross between the Joss and the Miller. I'll get into that in my next video. And I've made the Ariel. So, and I'll touch on the Ariel and then the Joss and Miller in my recent makes video that I plan on filming in the next couple days. But the Desi I love. The only thing I would have done differently is I would have lengthened it, and I should have lengthened it. But I plan on making some more Desis, so I will do that in the future. But the other four, the Micah, Reggie, Madhu, and Sierra, I haven't made yet, and I have high hopes for. So, yeah. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and are as excited as I am to sell these patterns eventually. If you like what you see, go ahead and like this video and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!